Hey guys, welcome back. This is the final video for the Ranger F100. Put the finishing touches on it, took it for a test drive, and all seems to be working really nicely. So here it is. We've just taken it out for a bit of a photo shoot, and then it's off tomorrow to go and see the auto electrician. Just got to get the brake lights working and the rear number plate lights. They're not working for some reason. I can't get them going, but the air conditioner regassed, and then it's actually been purchased, so it's sold already without even advertising it, which is good. The new owner is local for a change, which is even better. He's a really nice fella, so it's good I'll be able to get to see it around the place again. So yeah, thanks for following along, guys. I've got another project over here, got a Holden HT Ute that's got a 383 stroker in it. So I'll be doing that next, along with the F150 as well, which I'll be tinkering away with. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We'll now go to a little bit of drone footage I took later on this afternoon, and a bit of a test drive around the place here. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers.